Prime development land sold for next to nothing, now at the center of a corruption investigation, and the current owner wants to sell the land yet again. The NPA has filed an urgent interdict in a bid to halt another sale of a land that used to belong to the Mahikeng Local Municipality, as it is linked to a hoax investigations into corruption. The municipality initially wanted to sell the land marked for development for 154 million rand, but only got around just about 5 million rand. This dubious deal is still under investigation 16 years later. The company which obtained this bargain is now in liquidation without settling its debt to the municipality. The land was then sold at an auction to another company for 16 million rand. The company then changed names and sold and transferred portions of the land to 5 other companies and a trust account. Law enforcement agencies tried unsuccessfully on numerous occasions to get a preservation order, arguing that the land was obtained through criminal means. They returned to court after the current owner put the land up for sale. The company's legal representative says this is an abuse of the legal process. The NPA denies that they are abusing the court process.
The Prevention of Organized Crime Act allows the FAO to proceed on an ex parte basis. The case was previously dealt with on technicalities and not on merits. The NPA will not allow suspects to remain with proceeds of crime in their possession. This is not an abuse of process. Will await the application for the rescission of preservation order.
Opposition parties in the Northwest say a proper land audit needs to be done and the matter concluded speedily.
We are quite concerned that even now the case is ongoing and there's no conclusion to it as to when will it be concluded. And on the other hand, the actually person who bought the property legally is now about to auction. So as the EFF, we are going to initiate a fully blown investigation into this and also look at the possible ways of stopping this process until the case has reached its own conclusion.
This thing of municipal managers and officials doing as they please is a tale as old as time. I'm sure if we do similar investigations to this one, we will find other irregularities as well. This particular situation, let's believe that the NPA will be able to stop the auction so that the investigations can be concluded and so that justice will prevail.
This is clear dereliction of duty and is unacceptable. Action SA calls upon the provincial NPA to immediately establish specialized anti-corruption courts, including additional forensic expertise in the NPA to ensure it has the capacity to effectively and efficiently investigate corruption.
The then municipal manager of the Mahikeng Local Municipality and 6 others have since appeared in court on charges of fraud, corruption and theft, among others. The municipality says it hasn't been able to recoup any money lost during the sale. Tabang Murutwa, SABC News, Mahikeng.